Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Windows Terminal to connect with SSH keys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows Terminal application. Ensure you have the latest version of Windows Terminal installed from the Microsoft Store. Open the command prompt or PowerShell within Windows Terminal. Check if SSH is installed by typing SSH and pressing Enter. If SSH is not recognized, you can install it via Windows Features. Search for Manage Optional Features in your Windows search bar. Click on Add a Feature and look for Open SSH Client. Install the Open SSH Client to enable SSH commands. Next, generate an SSH key pair if you don't have one. Type SSH keygen and press Enter. Follow the prompts to save the key in the default location. By default, the key will be saved in the .ssh folder within your user directory. You can choose to encrypt your key with a passphrase or leave it empty for no passphrase. Locate your public key, which is typically named id_rsa.pub. Open Notepad or another text editor to view the contents of your public key. Select all the text and copy it to your clipboard. Access the server you want to connect to. Log into the server with your username and password. Navigate to the .ssh directory within your home directory on the server. If the .ssh directory does not exist, create it using dir.ssh. Set proper permissions for the directory by typing chmod700.ssh. Create or edit the authorized_keys file within the .ssh directory. Paste the copied public key into this file. Save and close the file. Set the correct permissions for the authorized_keys file by typing chmod600/.ssh/authorized_keys. Now, return to your Windows terminal. To test the SSH connection, type SSH your_username at your_server_IP. Replace your _username with your actual username and your _server_IP with the IP address of your server. If prompted, type in your passphrase if you set one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.